So I just saw the UPS truck pull up and I'm pretty sure it's my GoPro Hero 9 Black that I ordered on day one. It finally arrived. I'm super excited. Let's go grab it at the front door and do a quick unboxing. I am so excited. You don't even know how excited I am for this. So let's go open it up. All right, so the GoPro Hero 9 Black finally arrived. Let's go ahead and open it up. These are great, by the way. You don't cut your fingers off. The blade only sticks out a little bit. I like to keep my boxes, so I always hate it when boxes get sliced when you're opening them. So yeah. All right, let's open this up. I did order a few accessories as well, so let's see what I have here. An extra battery, it looks like. I did order the desktop charger as well as another battery in there, so I should have 3 batteries. A floaty handle. And what else is in here? There it is, the GoPro Hero 9 Black. Let's have a look at some of these accessories here, and we'll open this up quickly. So we'll grab this battery pack. I'm not going to show you the battery because there's another one in here, but let's open this up because I know these are my favorite things. If you're like us, we travel and you want to make sure that you have enough batteries. And if you're charging your battery in the GoPro, you can't use it very easily. So it's always nice to have a battery charger just like this to put your extra batteries in. So it's a little charger like that. You can put 2 batteries in there and charge it. Comes with a little charging cable here and an extra GoPro battery. So that's a fair bit bigger looking than the original 8 battery. So got that. We've also got the floaty handle. These are nice if you're like us, we're around the lake a lot. Oh, I see something actually in the box there. That's easy to miss. I'm gonna pull that out because it's really small. So let me show you that in a second. The floaty handle, I've been wanting one of these for a little bit. And that's it right there. So it floats and you put your GoPro on it. Perfect, I'm excited for that. Now what I see in the box here at the very bottom, they gave me a free memory card with this 32 gigabytes. That was easy to miss down there at the bottom of the packaging. So let's go ahead. I'm not gonna, like I said, open up this other battery just because it's just like this battery. So we'll put that down here. And let's go ahead and open up this GoPro Hero 9 Black. That's what it looks like in the retail packaging. And what does it say here? Hyper Smooth 3.0, 20 megapixel sensor, 5K 30, 4K 60, 33 feet water resistant, and 1080p live streaming. Nice packaging, way better than the old ones with the 8 with all the plastic. I do like that they give you this pouch with it, or the case. So let's go ahead and, how do you open this without wrecking it too much? There's a zip strip here on the bottom. Just pull that. And it should just slide right out the bottom. Just like that. And that's what the case looks like right there. Nice zipper on it. The zipper, it's kind of got a string tab with a nice rubber end to it. It says GoPro on the front there. Let's open that up. And there it is. Let's have a closer look. So you've got up here, subscribe to GoPro. I did actually subscribe to them. And all your instructions and everything are up top. So yeah, I signed up for 1 year. And they're giving me, what are they giving me? Backup of all my videos online for 1 year for, I think that's $50. So, and you get all sorts of discounts on things as well. So it's a pretty good promotion. What else do they have in here? They have, you got your charge cable. You've got a battery. and of course a sticky mounting tab, and of course your connector. I don't even know what you call these, a buckle and a turn knob, and that'll work well with connecting to this floaty handle. And of course the GoPro Hero 9 black right there. You can see it's got the screen on the front. It's definitely a little bit bigger than my other GoPro. Let's pull off all these protective things. First thoughts is it's definitely heavier than my 8. It feels actually about the same, but this has the battery in it and this one doesn't. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Up front here, you're gonna see the screen. It's got a removable lens cover again, which they didn't do in the 8. So they came back with that. So that'll come off. The screen up here, looks like there's a microphone here. On this side, you've got your power button. And these are supposed to be self-draining microphones. So if you're swimming, it'll self-drain out of there. You've got a screen on the back. Let me hold that up again so you can see the screen size. This side, you've got your switch there to open up the side. Oh, it's more, feels more spring. It's actually spring loaded. Interesting. Like, it's different than, see on this one, on the 8, when I open up the side, it's actually a switch and it stays open and you do that. Whereas this one, there's like, it feels spring loaded. It's weird, it's different. Anyway, that's cool. And of course your USB-C connector is right inside there. On the bottom side, you have your typical folding out mounts again, right there, which is super handy. And your record button on the top. I'm excited to get going with this. Let's actually, I'm gonna pull out the battery on this one so you can see the difference. It's quite a big difference in the battery size on those, from the 8 to the 9. Let's go ahead and put the battery in there. There we go. Yeah, that's interesting. That's cool. All right, so let's go ahead and fire this up, and well, the battery's dead. Oh, no, it's not. There we go. It's firing up. I'm probably gonna have to set it up here, but that is pretty cool. Let's, again, we'll show you the size comparison to the 8 versus the 9. So you can see on the side here, it is definitely a little bit thicker. On the top, the bottom. So yeah, so I'm super excited to get rolling and using this GoPro Hero 9. I'm gonna go ahead and set it up here. I'm gonna have a ton of videos coming up on this camera, so make sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of those. I'll have links below to Amazon if you're interested in any of these accessories or the camera itself. You can go find those links down in the description below. Thanks so much for watching today, and until next time, take care.